It is not length of life, but depth of life. Nothing great was ever achieved without enthusiasm. A man is what he thinks about all day long. All I have seen teaches me to trust the Creator for all I have not seen. The years teach much, which the days never know. Shallow men believe in luck. Strong men believe in cause and effect. Trust men, and they will be true to you. Treat them greatly, and they will show themselves great. Nobody can bring you peace but yourself. What lies behind you and what lies in front of you pales in comparison to what lies inside of you. The first wealth is health. All life is an experiment. The more experiments you make, the better. Our greatest glory is not in never failing, but in rising up every time we fail. Our chief want is someone who will inspire us to be what we know we could be. We aim above the mark to hit the mark. An ounce of action is worth a ton of theory. For everything you have missed, you have gained something else, and for everything you gain, you lose something else. The reward of a thing well done is having done it. To be great is to be misunderstood. Trust your instinct to the end, though you can render no reason. To be yourself in a world that is constantly trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. For every minute you remain angry, you give up 60 seconds of peace of mind. Always do what you are afraid to do. Once you make a decision, the universe conspires to make it happen. He who is not every day conquering some fear has not learned the secret of life. Fear defeats more people than any other one thing in the world. Knowledge is knowing that we cannot know. Flowers are a proud assertion that a ray of beauty outvalues all the utilities of the world. The only way to have a friend is to be one. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. A hero is no braver than an ordinary man, but he is brave 5 minutes longer.